So hey guys, this is where we left last time around, where we can edit the completed part. Now the last remaining thing in this project is to edit the text of this to do, right? So what we can do is we can add another button here, and that button will be called edit. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, it's fine. It's not that bad. Yeah. Then we can create first. We can what we can do is on click. Uh, what we'll basically do is on click. This whole thing will be replaced by an input here, and once we add some data on the input, this on entering that data on the input, this should be replaced by that particular new input, right? Makes sense? Yeah. So let's first create a state for that input. The state can be said as I don't know, to edit input. No, sorry, input. Sorry. Yeah, to do edit editable to do. I don't know. This looks like a really weird name, but yeah, we'll just take whatever it is. Keep it as a null for now because it is going to be an object. It is not going to be a string, right? It is going to be a full to do object because we need every information about that to do. Okay, so maybe yeah, I don't know. Let's just call a set editable to do, right? Of okay, and let's see if we get an editable to do. Let's do a console log here, editable to do. It's null for now. Let's click on edit, and yeah, I get the to do. Now what we have to do is we have to show a form instead of this div. So what we can do is let's create a ternary condition. If editable to do dot id is equal to this to do dot id, then we show a form or we show this. Now in order to show a form, we can just go here form. Yeah, we can create an input. Input type equals to text. Okay, whatever done, my bad. Yeah, input type text. Value should be editable to do dot not dot id. It should be editable to do dot to do. And on change, come on, complete your on change. Okay, I'll give you a few seconds to do this. It should be set editable to do, but we have to set something here. We cannot set event dot target dot value. Okay, I forgot to add event here, but yeah, event dot target dot value, that is the wrong value to add here. I'll give you a couple seconds and you can think on it. Pause the video. So stop. So as we all know, it is a complete to do in itself. So that is ID, the to do and editable, sorry, complete as false. So we have to make a complete object, which will be the spread of editable to do, comma, to do, then will be event dot target dot value. Getting this a little bit. So we basically create a new object where we copy the whole object completely, and this to do string now becomes the event dot target dot value. Okay. I guess we have the okay. Here triple equals to, my bad. Okay. I guess we have the console log somewhere. Okay, I forgot. Okay, I removed it somehow. Let's add the console log again. Console log. What is this? Okay. We don't need this. We need editable to do. Okay. Let's just check if it's working fine. So edit was clicked right. Okay. You cannot read ID property of null. Hmm. What do we do? What just happened here? So editable to do is null. Okay. Okay. So let's just add another check. Editable to do if it's there, and if editable to do ID is true, then let's just see. Okay, cool. Yeah. Now if we click on edit, it works. Okay. We should also click on a button. We should also have a button before checking. Okay, well, let's just check whether, yeah, let's add S here, T6S, D. It works. It works properly. Okay. We should have a button where if we don't want to edit, we can just click on cancel, right? So let's add a button here, which again is basically cross. Then on click, we can do set editable to do as null. Now again, we need a div. Yeah, let's just copy this div itself, and yeah, come here, we paste the div here. You see, yeah, we are here. Now if I click on this, yo, so nice. Okay, now we on enter. Yeah, we refresh the page basically. So basically this form needs an on submit now. Let's add a on submit, handle edit to do. Ha, we have to create the edit to do now. Sorry, handle edit to do, and we have to pass this particular to do. Sorry, not this one. Actually, we have all the information editable to do, right? So we do not need to pass anything here. We can just create this function, right? Const handle edit to do. Everything we need is in the state editable to do. So if we'll just do a check just to be safe, if not editable to do, right? Or not editable to do dot, not sorry, ID dot to do, we do nothing. Yeah, we just return, right? So basically if okay, what just happened here? To do's, yeah, if the data is empty, we don't edit. If the editable to do, it's not there, that's a safety check. Or if somebody, I mean, if it's a big application and if somebody just forgets to add this here, it's just a safety net. Okay. So now what we have to do is axios dot put, where we pass the API. What was the endpoint? Yeah, no, sorry, not this. React app backend URL slash to do slash, we need the ID of the to do because we are doing a put request, right? Now we need the body of the to do, right? What is this? Editable to do. I'm so sorry. Editable to do. Okay. ESLint always saves me, man. Come on. Now we have to pass editable to do here, right? As the body of the to do. Uh, and let's just see if this works. Let's do T6 ASD, right? And press enter. It reloads the page. Reloading is one good way, but again, I don't really want to hit the API again. So we will not reload. We will get the event here. EVE NT event. Then we'll do event dot prevent default because I mean, to be honest, if it reloads, it gets me the whole data. But in real world SPS, we do not want reloading because of multiple states and multiple things happening at once. Here we are working with a really small application, right? So axios.put to do's editable to do. This should work fine now. It won't reload at least. Let's click on edit, cancel, edit. Yeah. Okay. Something happened. Let's reload. Yup, it works. Okay. What can we do now? Let's do a then response. Okay. Let's do the same thing as before. Const new to do's as to do's. Basically, we'll again use a, sorry, not filter. We'll use a map again and el. If the to do ID is not same as editable to do ID, then yeah, we just return. If el dot id is not equals to editable to do dot id, we just return el. Else, if it's the same, then we have to return editable to do, right? Okay, and then we have to set to do's to new to do's, right? Let's check if this works. Okay, by the way, let's also check this. Okay, this doesn't work. Df, yes, whatever. Huh. Okay, now I get the problem. Set to do's is working, but set editable to do's, we need to make it, wait, null as well. Okay, yeah. So let's just refresh this, edit. Yeah, yeah, this works. And press enter, this works. So we come at the end of this video finally. Sorry, at the end of this project finally. Let's delete this. It works. Let's add 234. Edit this. ASG, cancel. Edit this again. Sorry. Yeah, enter. And yeah, click. Oh my god. There is a console log somewhere. Let's just remove that. Yeah, here's that. Okay. So wow. Okay, this whole application works. Let me know in the comments, did you like it or not, or is there anything that you couldn't understand? Uh, we'll meet again with the next video, a new project, maybe a bit more complex than this. Maybe we'll use Firebase the next time around. Until then, please like, subscribe, and please comment down below what you think about this video. Please share this if you like this, and see you